If you enjoy baking and want to turn your kitchen into a real income source, this video is for you. Home-based bakeries are growing faster than traditional shops because people want fresh, custom, and locally made cakes, breads, and desserts. Today, I'll show you how to start a bakery business from home step by step, the basic equipment you actually need, the real startup cost, and how beginners are getting regular orders without opening a storefront. Stay till the end because I'll also share proven sales tactics and a real success story that proves this model works. Home bakeries thrive because customers trust homemade quality more than factory products. Birthday cakes, cupcakes, cookies, sourdough bread, brownies, and festive desserts are always in demand. Social media has made it easy for small bakers to reach local customers without paid ads. People now prefer custom flavors, eggless options, gluten-free items, and themed designs, which large bakeries struggle to offer. This gives home bakers a strong advantage in local markets. You can start a home bakery in your existing kitchen without major changes. You'll need a clean workspace, proper storage for ingredients, good ventilation, and basic hygiene practices. A separate refrigerator shelf for bakery items is recommended. Most home bakers start alone and handle baking, packing, and deliveries themselves. Check local cottage food laws or home food business rules to understand what products you're allowed to sell from home. What's your signature bake? The most important equipment is a convection oven, which costs between $600 and $1,500. A stand mixer for doughs and batters costs around $300 to $800. Baking trays, cake tins, piping tools, weighing scales, and cooling racks together cost about $300 to $500. Add packaging materials and basic labeling tools. Focus on food safety, separate utensils, sanitize surfaces, and get a food handler certificate costs $10 to $50 online. A home bakery can be started with $2,000 to $5,000, including equipment, ingredients, packaging, and branding. A customized cake that costs $8 to $12 to make can sell for $30 to $60 depending on design and size. Profit margins usually range between 50 to 70%. With just 10 to 15 orders per week, many home bakers earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month, and income grows as repeat customers increase. Register your home bakery according to local food business regulations. Some regions require a food safety certificate or cottage food permit. Branding matters, even for home bakeries. Choose a simple brand name, design a clean logo, and use attractive packaging. Platforms like Canva help you create labels and menus at low cost. Clear ingredient lists and hygiene transparency build customer trust. Instagram and WhatsApp are the strongest tools for home bakers. Post behind-the-scenes baking videos, customer reviews, and cake designs. Encourage customers to tag your page when they post photos. Join local Facebook groups and community pages. Partner with event planners, gift shops, and cafes for bulk or recurring orders. Partner with 5 to 10 local foodies influencers for shoutouts. Offer limited-time flavors and festival specials to create urgency. Tiffany launched the Pink Crumb, a thriving home bakery, as a wife, mom, and grandma to 9 grandkids. Starting small with a focus on community and consistent quality, she built her brand through authentic storytelling and direct sales, including farmers markets and a streamlined bakery cart model. She grew into a profitable full-time operation while maintaining family balance, and founded the largest online community for home bakers to support others. Her story proves you can bootstrap from kitchen passion to sustainable income with smart systems and customer connection. We connect you to similar tools and strategies. Tap the link in the description for vetted partners today. Once orders increase, upgrade to a larger oven, hire part-time help, and expand into bread, desserts, or packaged baked goods. You can also move into online delivery platforms or open a small takeaway shop. Offering baking classes or DIY kits is another way to increase income. Growth in this business is driven by reputation, consistency, and customer relationships. So that's how you can start a bakery business from home with low investment and real profit potential. If you love baking and are ready to treat it like a business, this is one of the easiest ways to start in this year. Comment below what you'd bake first, and check the link if you want help with equipment selection, pricing, or legal setup. Your home kitchen could be the start of a successful brand.